What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel, DriveItRyan. We have a Miata update today. I'm gonna be taking all of the dents and dings out of it. I'm gonna go see my PDR guy, Paintless Dent Repair, for those of you that don't know. His name is Rick from West Side Car Clean in Torrington, and he's a freaking wizard with this stuff. It's like magic. I've taken all my cars there, and he gets everything out. It's amazing. So, the other night I filmed a walk around just to show you how bad it is, because it's pretty bad. But here it is. Now mind you, I filmed this after about a 14-hour, 15-hour day in the garage, so I was a little shot, a little tired, but here it is. Have a look. So, driver's side fender. Might be hard to see. I'm filming this on my iPhone. Actually, it's not that hard to see. Look at it. There's one there, a couple here. Deep one there. If you look along the side of the car here, on the door, there's just a million. I mean, it's like, where does it end? Oh, there's one right there. Real clear. That one actually, oh, that went through the paint a little bit, yeah, so that's not good. Few here. It's all over the place. I hate dings. I kind of have OCD and I want it to be perfect, so okay, so on the door there's about 10. Maybe 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know if I counted that already, but there's a lot on this side. A lot. We'll go around. This fender is pretty good. Not bad. I've been waiting to paint correct it because I want to paint correct this car after all the dents are taken out. There's a few on this trunk. Where is it? There's a few. It's hard to see. It's like it all depends on the lighting, you know? Rear bumper's pretty good. Not much there. That's a water droplet. On the passenger side, this door is a lot better. There's one here. Yeah, it's not too bad here on the passenger side. This is a big one, I think, from someone leaning on the fender. And let's see, the hood. Hood is pretty good for the most part. Man, this whole thing needs a paint correction. It's so bad. I can't wait to do it. I mean, it's not fun to do it, but I can't wait to get it looking nice. I've been waiting to put the badge back on. That's why the 2 little holes are here. But in preparation for Rick to make his life a little easier, I took the fender liners out so that he could get his tools back here. And I purposely waited to roll the fenders too and do the coilovers. So I got, believe it or not, I have an order of operations here. There's a method to my madness. So I took the fender liners out. Took the door cards out. Very easy to do. I thought about filming that. Maybe I will when I do the speakers. But there's a million videos on how to take door cards out. It's super easy. Just got to be careful and not break any clips. But yeah, I took those out on both sides. I put the what's it called on window things. I've had one meal today and I've been in the garage for about 14-15 hours, so I'm a little shot right now. Actually, so I'll show you what else I did. See my face stamp on here. I don't want the vid. I took everything out of the trunk. Took the spare tire out. Probably won't ever go back in because it's weight. I don't like weight. And yeah, that's about it. But he said he noticed some dents in the trunk, so I took everything out so that he could get his tools back there. He might have to take the taillights out. I'm not sure. Might have to take this out. But oh, I found one. Yeah, there's one there. Where'd it go? I did see it. To the untrained eye, like it's hard to see a lot of these things. Found another one. Do you see it? The more I walk around, the more I find. I just gotta stop looking at it. But I'm gonna keep this video pretty short. Like I said, I'm gonna drop it off in a few hours. Well, 7, 8 hours. Yeah, I'm gonna go there for 9 o'clock. And I'll let him take his time with it. It might be a day, it might be 2 or 3 days, I'm not sure. But I'm pretty excited. We could get the ball rolling on this thing again. I've taken a little break on the Miata to work on the M3, so check out some of those videos if you haven't already. Yeah, I'll give you a sneak peek. I don't know when I'm uploading this one, but just did an oil cooler, and I got a bunch of cooling mods, and did a full engine wash. I still got to detail it, but I degreased and washed it. And hopefully we get both these cars good to go before crappy winter comes and the snow comes and they dump salt all over the roads. Oh God, I hate it. I'm gonna go into another depression. But anyways, that's it. Let's have Rick do his thing. And that's it. I literally can't speak right now because I need to eat and I'm delirious and dizzy and I'm gonna pass out. So see you in the next scene. Ready for the big reveal? Straight as an arrow. Unbelievable. Rick is seriously, he's the man. Now the paint still looks like complete crap. I washed it, decontaminated it, clay barred, Iron X, Tar X, all that stuff. Getting it ready for paint correction because it needs one bad. But now there's no dents, 0 dents. So real quick, we'll do a quick walk around. You guys remember how freaking screwed up this fender was? Well, it's all gone. No more dings, nothing. It's insane. This door I thought was never gonna be right, but it's right. There's this, I mean, Rick can't do it, well he can, but I'm gonna do touch-up paint, but he got the dent out, and that was a sharp one, super sharp. Hey, you see my slippers again. So I ordered a touch-up paint kit, and I'll touch all that stuff up. But goodness, this fender's good. It's all good. Strunk is good. Need some little touch-up there. There isn't anything left on this. The hood is perfecto. Again, besides for the paint. But that's my job. I'll get there. Rick does do paint corrections and all that stuff, but I could do that myself, so I'm gonna save a little bit of money. This fender's good. She's good. So when I went to pick up the car, he was still working on this fender. If you remember, there was a huge dent here. And he still was working on it, but we had a hurricane coming in. So there's the tiniest little bit here. I don't know if you could even see that. Did this cricket shut up? But there is the tiniest little dent. But I think when I roll the fenders, it's going to even everything out. So next up for this car, like I said, paint correction. Then I'm going to roll the fenders. Then it's time for coilovers. And then we're going to put the diff in. Then we're going to go back to the track because I have a track day coming up real soon. I was going to take this to the track day, but things are getting complicated and escalating quickly. I was going to let's pop the hood. I was going to replace this power steering cooler, but to do that, you have to drain all the coolant. You have to pull the radiator out. And I hate, one of my pet peeves is doing things twice. I hate doing the same exact job twice, which happens a lot in the car world. But to replace the power steering cooler, you have to, drain the coolant, take the radiator out. So I ordered a new radiator from Do 88. So I'll be doing the power steering cooler, radiator, and what else I got? Power steering reservoir I'll be putting in from Beamer World. So hopefully I'll get this back. But Oh man, I'm excited. Been waiting so long to get all these things out. So if you guys are wondering how much does something like this cost, well, actually, you want to know how many dents he took out? He said he stopped counting at 80, and I completely believe it, because I counted like 40, 45 myself, and that's without looking at it very, very closely under the lights. So yeah, 80 plus dents. He charged me $800, which is fair. What's that, $10 a dent, pretty much? I'll take it. But that's just a ballpark. Rick is usually good to me, so if you want to hit him up, he'll give you a good deal. Tell him I sent you. Rick at Westside Car Clean. I always forget if it's Westside Car Care or Westside Car Clean, but I'm pretty sure it's Westside Car Clean in Torrington, Connecticut. Go check him out. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe on this video. Like and comment this video. This bug is driving me nuts. And subscribe if you haven't already. Trying my best to make this a full-time thing. And it's a balance between getting content out, a few a week, and making really good, cinematic content. I'm still trying to figure out this YouTube algorithm. I'm just throwing shit at the wall and seeing what sticks. But I'm just going to keep doing my thing. And I know one day we'll get there. But thank you all for your support. I'll see you in the next one. Peace. Sandwich.